Post-harvest, the food losses that occur along the food supply chain from harvesting of a crop until its consumption is defined as post-harvest losses. Product quality at a harvest is influenced by when and how the harvest is done. Pre-harvest factors such as the source of seed, quality that has been set during growth also contributing for the product at harvest. Product quality at harvest could be lost further during harvesting, handling, transporting, storage, domestic processing, distribution. The post-harvest losses can broadly categorized as weight loss due to spoilage, quality loss, nutritional loss, seed viability loss, commercial loss. Post-harvest losses in production of cereals, example paddy, fruits, vegetables. During harvesting, untimely harvesting. Paddy should be harvested at the best time, considering the variety of paddy. Delayed harvesting of the paddy may result quality loss, nutritional loss, seed viability loss, weight loss, commercial loss. Those losses could be further increased if paddy fields are flooded due to heavy rains just before harvesting. If paddy is harvested early, it requires more drying cost. Grains with a high moisture content are susceptible to mold growth and insect infestation, resulting broken grains and low milling yields, with significant commercial losses. In addition, depending on the method of harvest, part of the paddy crop may left and plucked in soil, which is a commercial loss. Fruits and vegetables also should be harvested at best time. Could vary with the variety to have maximum quality and to obtain the highest quantity. If harvested too early, the crop will not be ripe or mature enough. If harvested too late, it may spoil quickly, leading to quality loss, nutritional loss, finally resulting in economical loss. Harvesting of the fruits and vegetables should be done without allowing physical or mechanical damages to occur. If damages occur, quality and storage life will be reduced as spoilage microorganisms will quickly invade through damaged areas. During handling, high shattering loss of paddy seed could occur, which is a commercial loss. Harvested paddy should be dried, bagged, stored temporarily without allowing the paddy to absorb moisture. Great attacks by insects, rodents, in order to protect the quality, the harvested fruits and vegetables should be handled hygienically, kept in plastic cartons, which could be kept in a shade temporarily. Harvested fruits or vegetables should be sorted to remove damaged, infested, moldy and overripe fruits or over-matured vegetables. Sorting will reduce spoilage during transport and storage. Transportation. Poor road infrastructure, along with improperly and poorly maintained modes of transportation, results in large spoilage of paddy seed and highly contamination. Multiple movements of crops is another major reason for high transportation losses. Sometimes bag paddy is loaded and unloaded from vehicles several times before it's milled. During each movement, some grains are lost as spoilage. During handling and transportation of rice, 2 to 10% losses occur in Southeast Asia. Those losses could be minimized using a well-planned, better mode of transportation within an efficient bulk handling system. During the transportation of fruits or vegetables, arranged at the bottom of stacked crates could be damaged by the weight of the produce kept above. Use of crates that could be stacked without putting the weight on produce at the bottom would solve the issue. Use of straw or something soft in between layers of produce within the crate will reduce the damages due to rubbing. Rough handling of crates containing produce should be avoided to prevent possible damage to the produce. Uncontrolled changes of temperature and excess shaking could do great damages to produce during the transport. In tropical countries, if transportation is carried out at night time, produce could be protected by high temperature of the daytime. Storage plays a vital role in the food supply chain. Although losses occur at each stage of the supply chain, from production to consumer level, storage losses are considered most critical in developing countries, as maximum losses occur during storage. Generally, after harvesting or milling, grains are stored for short or long period of storage as food reserves, as seeds for next season. Poor storage infrastructure allows rains to absorb excess moisture. Rice grains with the excess moisture to be infested early by insects, pests, followed by the invasion of spoilage microorganisms. Rice to be attacked by rodents and other pests. Provision of the proper storage infrastructure could prevent or reduce the losses that occur during storage of paddy or milled rice. Uncontrolled changes of temperature could encourage the spoilage microorganisms to grow faster, spoilage the stored produce, fruits and vegetables. Storage of fruits and vegetables should be done in properly chilled rooms to reduce the rate of spoilage. Domestic processing. In domestic processing of different food types at different areas of Sri Lanka, following methods are used. Post-harvest loss of food processing could be due to early harvesting, improper handling. Post-harvest losses that could occur during domestic processing could be reduced by following correct procedures. Harvesting at right time, hygienic handling to prevent microbial contamination, proper storage to prevent attacks of insects and rodents, etc. Drying paddy or rice and other cereals. Drying after their thermal treatment. Example jackfruit. Pasteurization milk. Freezing fish and meat are temporarily stored in freezer compartment of a refrigerator. Chilling fruits and vegetables. Salting lime. Salting and drying fish. Sugaring homemade jams. Chemicals pickles.